What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So BABA continues to push up week after week, looking very bullish. But again, this is unsustainable bullish level. You don't go up at this pace forever. What stock has gone up at this angle of attack, higher and higher forever, indefinitely? It's not going to last a long time. However, I'm not calling a top. As long as price is still above this bullish trend line, then you can remain bullish until we see a huge move away from the trend line. Then it can look very topish. But as right now, it's still potentially can move up higher because we're still above the bullish trend line. Let's take a look at some measure move targets. That will probably give us a better idea where it's headed. So we have one massive leg right here. You drag this over, and basically we've met the target. So that's the perfect measure move right there. And that's why we saw a resistance yesterday. And today, price has not been able to push through the 144 level. So again, this could be the top. If I were to say, where is it the top? It could be right here because that's the measure move target. A lot of times these are highly accurate. Let me also take a look at this leg right here. One leg up right here. Drag this over, second leg up, come to practically the same conclusion. So again, if this was the top, then it probably is now. Again, I don't like to call tops because obviously price can continue moving up higher, but I think this is the highest likelihood of being a top right around this mid 140 level. So I think a pullback is due, probably a drop down all the way towards the 118 level and maybe even lower from there. Because this was a overextension from the EMA and a breakout of the range highs that were not tested. So that's what I'm looking at for BABA on the daily chart. I think most of the upside potential has left the stock as of right now. It's due for a pullback. It's not going to continue moving up in this fashion for an extended duration. I think a pullback is near, especially with that measurement target reached. But again, monitor the trend line. Obviously, if we're still above the trend line, we're still bullish. If we start breaking the trend line, then obviously it confirmed the top. There's no confirmation of a top. All I'm saying is this is an area for a potential drop to occur. We have one leg up right here, second leg up, perfect measure move target practically met, and we had a breakout. A lot of times price likes to come back to test these breakout zones. Just like over here, price tried to break out lower, failed, came back inside the range, tried to break out lower a couple other times, failed. And now we could be coming back up to fail or at least retest the range highs before we see higher prices. So again, BABA looking promising. It looks at least bullish longer term than it did before. It's not stuck in this sideways trap that it was inside of for several years, almost 3 years. It was stuck inside of this sideways trading range, and now is breaking out. And this breakout definitely looks more convincing than the other breakout. So we could see an extended long-term uptrend. But again, the price is a little overheated, needs to cool down. Generally, this is the area where you do see a pullback occur towards probably the 120 level. If we do continue higher, let's just say, which is a lower probability, where are we going to go? Well, it probably could come back up to the 170 level. That's the next resistance zone right over here, this little micro resistance. But I think this level will probably hold as resistance as of right now. So that's all I have for BABA this week. And I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.